Now in this tutorial, let's talk about how you can unhide the hidden apps on your iPhone. So let's just get started. So of course, what you need to do is be on your home screen like that, and you can see all of your apps right here. And I essentially want you to swipe all the way to the right until you find the app library. And actually at the bottom, we have the hidden folder. So tap it, scan your face, and you're inside. To remove it or unhide the app from here, hold down on it until more options pop up. And you can delete the app if you wanted to, but it's better to click on a Don't Require Face ID, which will make it unlocked and also unhidden, if that makes sense, right? So if you tap on a Don't Require Face ID, you will have to scan your face once again just to confirm it's you. But once it goes through, then the app will be removed from the hidden apps folder to the regular list of apps, right? It just behaves as any other application would. So that's how it works. For other apps, the same thing works exactly the same way. So you can find any app you like, just hold down on it, click on Require Face ID so you can hide it away. And whenever you change your mind later, you can unhide it and bring it back to the regular list of apps. So I would love if you let me know below in the comments if it worked. If it did, you can also just hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.